So hello guys, welcome to a new video in Decib of FX. So sorry for the delay in the video. So in this video I'm going to show the day 3 and day 4 of what the trade I have taken in the funded account. As everyone know, so I took a challenge in the aqua funding of 5k one step to pass and get a payout in this funding. So after 2 days of consistent flow, third day I made a profit. So I'll show that. So this is the account which I have taken in the aqua funding. So 5k. I will view my dashboard. So I have made a one trading day profitable, and I am up $97, and still I have to make $352 to pass this account. It's a one step. So I'll show in the calendar. So I was consistent with my losses and take profits. So at 6th May 2026 I made a $50 loss, and at 7 May 2026 I made a $56 loss, and Friday I did not take any trade, and 11 May 2026 I took a trade which get into a profit of $203, and I will explain how I made this profit. So this was yesterday trade which was I taken around in the New York session. I will erase this one. So this is the trade which I have taken in the New York session. I will tell you the logic about this. So Monday the market opened with a big gap down, a big gap around how many pips? A 150 pips gap down. Okay, 150 pip gap down. After it came down in the Asia session, then we will start making a support resistance. In one day it's quite bullish. Okay, in weekly I will draw a support resistance. So this is the resistance zone in the weekly. So I will draw a resistance zone. Okay, this is a weekly zone, and then next in daily zone in 4 hours. So this was a support level in a daily zone, and then there is a 4 hours low. I will mark it as a horizontal line. So this was the low which it want to get liquidated. At Monday it opened gap down, and then it liquidated at London session. I was not available. Then I came to the New York session. Then it gave a drastic movement to the upside. So in 1 hour, this was the support level which it has broken out. So this was a support level which had broken out. So I was supposed to take this trade at the bottom of this, but I missed it that. Then in the 15 minutes level there is a zone where I can buy. So this is the high, this is the fresh high. I'll mark it as a level. then I wait for the confirmation till the candle end below this level, then it give a low. In 1 minute you can understand. So this is a 1 minute chart. Okay, so this is the low where the buyers were in. So this low get liquidated. After that I took a entry in this level, above this level. So this was a 1 minute A plus. So this was a 1 minute A plus where the market should go up. Okay, then I took TP till the gap filling levels. So where is the gap? So this was the gap. So I took a TP till this. This was the gap filling level where the market should fill the gap. Till that I just mark a horizontal line. So till this was my TP. It was around 1:5.7 RR. It was around 1.5 RR. It was a good trade. At this point I entered with a stop loss of $50. I made around $300. In this I went into a loss of around $50. This breakdown I was get stopped out. So this was the logic behind the trade, the gap filling trade. It was continuously moving. First it liquidated at the 4 hours range. So this was the 4 hours low. It liquidated in the London session. It was giving a small movement ahead to the top. Then it liquidated at this top of this level. So this was a easy trade, logical trade, without drawing any support resistance. We can know this can go up. The gold is continuously in the bullish movement. So it's just about to make a move to next to the higher high. Then let's see. So this is a low. This was making a higher high, then higher low. Then it's supposed to make a upside movement. It should make a next higher high. So this was the trade I was taken. So this was the day 4 of taking the trade. Sorry, day 3 of taking the trade. So day 2 I took around this. So this was the trade which I had taken in the Thursday. That was 9 May 2026 in the same New York session. So at 7th May, sorry, 7th May I took this. 7th May, okay. So we'll draw a support and resistance for the 7th May. So this was the trade I have taken in this day. In weekly time frame, this was a support resistance in weekly time frame. I cannot supposed to take this level. There was a no weekly time frame. In daily time frame there was a support resistance. No, oh, this was the support resistance. So this was the level. Sorry for the delay. So this was a weekly level where the market has to resistance from this zone. In daily at the 7 I have to take this trade at this resistance level where it has to move down. So this was the high. It get liquidated in 4 hour range. it was a clear negative range. It was unable to take this high. So this was a high. It was clearly a negative, was in a negative zone. So this was the level where I took this trade. This was a 1 hour range. So I took this trade at the 5 minutes. Wait, I'll show this. So I entered this trade at this level where it was there was a 5 minutes A plus. So this was entry position where I took this short position and placed the SL at the top. It came to hunt my SL, then it went around 1:2 hour trade. I supposed to cut this trade at the cost to cost. I was unavailable at this moment, so I need to take this stop loss. After it liquidated at the top, see the movement till here. So I was planning to take this TP to this low, so this was the low. To this, after hitting my SL, it went drastically down without giving any upside movement. So this was the day 2 and day 3 of taking the trade. So I hope everyone understood this, what I explained in this trade. So every trade I took in the XAU USD at the New York session. So please do watch each and every video which I place and see how I pass the funded and take payout from that. So please do support my channel Desi Bob FX. Please do support my channel Desi Bob FX. So thank you for watching this video. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. So hope everyone a good day. Thank you everyone.